You've probably heard 100 tips about how to live longer, but what if the real answer is just 3 fruits? Japanese doctors who've lived over 100 years didn't rely on supplements or special routines. They just ate 3 specific fruits every single day, fruits you might never think twice about, and the best part, they're cheap, natural, and available almost everywhere. One of the oldest and most respected Japanese doctors, who lived past 100, always said the secret to long life is hidden in your daily food. These 3 fruits became part of his everyday life, and he believed they kept his body young, his mind sharp, and his energy strong, even at 100. This isn't a trick or trend, it's something the Japanese have done quietly for generations. The first fruit is something you can eat fresh in the morning. It cleans your blood, improves your heart health, and gives you energy without caffeine. The second fruit is taken at night. It helps you sleep better, improves your digestion, and resets your body like a natural clock. The third is used in a warm drink. It fights off colds, strengthens your immune system, and supports your skin and joints all naturally. Most people ignore these fruits because they don't taste like candy or fast food, but in Japan, people see food as daily medicine. They believe eating the right way every day is more powerful than any quick fix. These fruits aren't flashy, but they work. That's why so many Japanese people stay healthy and active even in their 90s. You don't need to count calories or follow a strict plan. Just eat one of these fruits in the morning, another at night, and sip a warm cup of tea made from the third during the day. That's it. The goal isn't just to live long, it's to live well, with energy, strength, and peace of mind every day. If you start doing this daily, your body will begin to respond. You'll notice better digestion, clearer skin, more energy, and a calmer mind. These changes don't happen overnight, but they are real and lasting. This is how people in Japan stay so healthy for so long, quietly, consistently, and naturally. So now you know, no need to chase complicated diets or wait for the next big trend. These 3 fruits are simple, powerful, and proven. The question is, will you make them part of your life, or keep skipping the one secret that's already within reach? Try it for 1 week, feel the change, and maybe, just maybe, you'll take your first real step toward living not just longer, but better.